Welcome back. So today we are going to see how to make these daffodils, and for that I am using here yellow and white cotton thread of size 10 and a hook of size 2 mm. So let's see how to make these daffodils. So to make this flower we will be doing a magic ring and 6 single crochet into the magic ring. Chain 1. So the magic ring is ready and 6 single crochet into the magic ring. Slip stitch into the first single crochet. So we have 6 single crochets. Now we'll just leave this like this, and we'll add the next color, that is the white color. Do a slip knot. Join the white into the, we have 2 loops, so we'll be joining into the second loop. The back loop will be adding the white color. Chain 1, a single crochet in the same space. Chain 3, single crochet into the next back loop. We will be working only through back loops. Chain 3, single crochet into the next back loop. Just keep the yellow yarn on top. We will be working only through back loops. In chain 3, a single crochet in the next back loop. Chain 3. You can easily make out the back loops. Chain 3, slip stitch into the first space where we joined the white yarn. So we'll have 6 chain 3 spaces. Slip stitch into the chain space, chain 1 and make a single crochet into the same space. Now we'll be working a triple crochet cluster. So for that, chain 4, yarn over twice, we'll be doing a triple crochet cluster. Insert into the space, pull through, you have 4 loops, pull through 2, pull through 2. When you have 2 loops left, you will be yarning over again twice, and again you will be doing the complete process. Then you have 3 loops left, pull through all the 3 loops. Chain 3, do a slip stitch into the third chain. So insert into the third chain, you have 2 loops, pull through both the loops. Again you will be doing a cluster, triple crochet cluster, yarn over twice, insert, pull through, again complete the triple crochet cluster. Chain 4, single crochet in the chain space, same space where we did the clusters. So our first petal is ready. Again, we'll repeat the same process. So single crochet into the next space, chain 4, 2 triple crochet, cluster. So yarn over twice, insert, pull through 2, pull through 2. You have 2 loops left, yarn over twice, insert and complete your stitch. So you have 3 in the end, so pull through all the 3. So your cluster is ready. Again chain 3, slip stitch into the third chain. Again you will be doing triple crochet cluster. Yarn over twice and pull through 2 times. When you have 2 loops left, again you will be yarning over and doing a triple crochet. In the end you will have 3 loops, pull through all the 3 together. Chain 4 and a single crochet in the same space. So second petal is also ready. So in this manner we will complete 6 petals. So here I have completed all the petals, did a slip stitch and joined the round. Cut the yarn. So for the inner portion, we are starting to work with the yellow yarn. Chain 2. This chain 2 will count as a half double crochet plus 1 chain. Yarn over and work a half double crochet in the next front loop. Chain 1, half double crochet in the next front loop. So we'll get 6 chain spaces. Chain 1, again a half double crochet in the next chain space. Front loop. Chain 1, half double crochet in the next front loop. Chain 1, slip stitch on top of the chain 2 space. Slip stitch into the chain space. Chain 3, single crochet into the next chain space. So we'll just continue this chain 3 and single crochet in the chain space. So we'll have 6 chain 3 spaces. Chain 3, single crochet, chain 3 and slip stitch into the chain space where we started off doing our chain 3s. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Projects. So friends, hope you liked making these flowers. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. So until we meet with yet another project, take care, stay safe.